let's talk about the font size. So we have seen that before as well, but we didn't know about that quite well. So if I go to the browser and go to the MDN, this is the font size documentation. And here you can find about the font size, and there are a bunch of units which we will cover. But the like the most common unit which we all familiar with is pixels, right? So we will be using that. So if I go to the here inside of this browser and H1, and we haven't touched the font size, and go to that style here, and okay, so this is 2 rem, which is 32 pixels. Okay, now let's go to the browser, not the browser, code editor, and let's do font size, and let's do 60 pixel, something like that. And if I go to the browser, and now the font size is 60 pixels. Okay, and this is now dashed out because it is not using that, right? So the font size is 60 pixel, and you can do bunch of things here. So let's do for the P, let's okay, let's keep it here. And now for the body, we can do something like font size of 30 pixels, and go to the browser, and now the font size is 30 pixel. Also, I want to mention that like this window is pretty zoomed, so that is why, but in 100%, which is this will look something like this, but I am zooming in a little bit more. Okay, so yeah, so this is the font size here, right? And now once again you can see I have applied the font size to H1, but the span has also applied that particular style, like the font size, right? So the font size is also inherited from the parent element to the child element. All right, next up, font weight.